Contamination control in aseptic manufacturing is a crucial safeguard for the drug safety. On every single risk point in productions, AUSTAR Contamination Control 100% CCS compliance team is willing to collaborate with you to explore effective solutions. Personnel is the primary source of contamination in aseptic areas. With unique and professional design and scientific material selection, AUSTAR Cleanroom PPE prevent cross-contamination. These Cleanroom PPE are compliant with EU GMP Annex 1 requirements for interception efficiency, washing and sterilization cycles, and traceability. As a proactive promoter and practitioner of contamination control CCS compliance, AUSTAR is willing to closely collaborate with everyone to build the CCS ecosystem together. Implement CCS compliance to safeguard drug safety.